Jaya Rar Mara Bhaja Gunjabiyari Jaguptan Vallabhaja Girivanarari Chakirivanarari Sodanandana Prachatana Ranjana Sodanandana Prachatana Ranjana Munatira Havanachari Munatira Havanachari Jaya Mara Bhaja Gunjabiyari. Reading Bhagavata Purana, Canto 1, Chapter 3, Text 39. Adheta Danya Bhagavanta Itham Yat Vasudeva Khila Lokana Te Kurvanti Sarvatmakanatma Bhavam Nayatra Puya Parivarta Ukha Ugra. Only by making such inquiries in this world one can be successful and perfectly cognizant. For such inquiries invoke transcendental ecstatic love under the personal Godhead, who is the proprietor of all universes, and guarantees 100% immunity from the dreadful repetition of birth and death. So one should inquire about the Supreme, which means that one should inquire from the right source, which means that someone who is rightly situated and properly advanced in the Krishna consciousness, in bhakti, and who is firmly aligned with the disciplic succession. One should inquire, like Bhagavad Gita says, and render service. So one should inquire and contribute, render service. Then only that jnana, that understanding, turns to the vijnana. Okay? And one should learn to ask proper questions, which means that questions that are relevant for moving forward in the bhakti, instead of asking some absurd questions, blind following, and this kind of absurd inquiries are both condemned in the Bhagavad Gita, both lead to the sidetrack. What comes to the bhakti, both lead to the sidetrack. So one should try to learn to ask right kind of questions, and try to and asking the questions that are more or more advanced than what is one's ability to reach by so that there's big gap between the theoretical understanding jnana and vijnana, the practical understanding. That's also useless to ask that kind of questions. So one should inquire from the right source with the proper attitude, rendering service, and asking questions that are relevant. And that's how one can gradually move forward towards the Supreme and leaving behind this material existence and samsara. Sri Radhishyam.